Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine in Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our new 2021 257 Grady-White Fisherman. This boat, whole color coastal fog gray, complete whole color all the way to the bottom, whole color underneath the hardtop. We'll take a look at the outside. We'll go walk through and take a look at the inside. As we take a walk through our new 25, you can see we outfitted this one with twin 200 Yamaha outboards. I'll point out some features as we go. The boarding ladder, walk-through transom door, which opens out. We've optioned this boat with outriggers. Has the 4-rod rocket launcher, cockpit light, 4-rod holders, tackle storage, some bucket storage, fish box, freshwater shower, live well with a cutting board on top and a light inside, fold down aft seat, bolster seating at the helm, tilt wheel, there's your helm, the new Yamaha gauge, overhead box, push button start, our windlass control, our trim tab control, Fusion stereo. The engine flushes are up here now. It does have a tow rail, rod holders. We have the head with a macerator pump, Fusion stereo, storage. As we go forward, forward seating, the backrest fold back, storage underneath. This boat does have the windlass on it, handrails. As I said, the underside of the hardtop to match the hull. That's the speakers that light up when your nav lights go on. Take another look around. Please call us with any questions. The boat is in the showroom, easy to see anytime. Thank you.